Why does my Jeep Patriot shake? Here's the real reason. A Jeep Patriot shaking can be caused by a variety of issues, ranging from simple maintenance needs like wheel balancing and alignment to more complex problems like worn suspension components or drivetrain issues. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Wheel and tire issues. Wheel imbalance. If your tires are not properly balanced, they can cause vibrations, especially at higher speeds. Wheel alignment. Misaligned wheels can also lead to shaking, as well as uneven tire wear. Worn or damaged tires. Uneven tire wear, bulges, or other damage can cause vibrations. Wheel bearings. Worn or damaged wheel bearings can create noise and shaking, particularly when turning. Suspension problems. Ball joints. Worn ball joints can cause play in the suspension, leading to shaking. Control arm bushings. Worn control arm bushings can also contribute to shaking and instability. Shock absorbers, struts. Worn shocks or struts can affect the vehicle's handling and cause shaking, especially over bumps. Drivetrain issues. CV axles. Worn or damaged CV axles can cause shaking, particularly during acceleration. Universal joints, U-joints. Worn U-joints can also cause shaking, especially during acceleration or when shifting gears. Driveshaft issues. Problems with the driveshaft can also cause vibrations. Engine and transmission issues. Engine mounts. Worn or broken engine mounts can cause the engine to shake, especially at idle. Transmission mounts. Worn or broken transmission mounts can also cause shaking. Spark plugs. Faulty spark plugs can lead to rough idling and shaking. Fuel injectors. Dirty or faulty fuel injectors can cause the engine to run rough and shake. Catalytic converter. A clogged catalytic converter can cause the engine to run rough and shake, and may also cause the vehicle to jerk when accelerating. Brake issues. A sticking brake caliper or warped brake rotor can cause shaking when braking. Loose or damaged parts. Any loose or damaged part in the steering or suspension system can contribute to shaking. Low tire pressure. While usually causing a pull, low tire pressure can also contribute to vibrations. Troubleshooting steps. Check for obvious issues. Visually inspect your tires for wear, damage, or low pressure. Check for any loose or broken parts in the steering and suspension system. Test drive. Pay attention to when the shaking occurs, at idle, during acceleration, while braking, or at a certain speed. Professional inspection. If you can't pinpoint the cause, it's best to have a mechanic inspect your vehicle for a thorough diagnosis. Some Jeep Patriot models are known to have a rough idle and vibrations, even when everything is functioning correctly, according to some forum discussions.